It was Charles Dickens who once said, "I am never sure of time or place upon a railroad. I can't think, I can't sleep, I can only dream." So, my time has finally come to test that theory as I'm about to embark on the most epic journey. I'm boarding the famous Rovos Rail, travelling from Pretoria to Cape Town over a 3-day journey, traversing 1,600 kilometres through the heart of South Africa. Before I disembark, I'm meeting Rohan Vos, who is treating me to an insight on the history of this extraordinary company.
It started off as a family caravan idea, and we were going to go around the country, and then that turned into a train. We started back in 1989 with the first trip, and that was down to the Kruger Park area. And we've now expanded up to 10 journeys, most of southern Africa, all the way up to Dar es Salaam.
Rovos Rail has established itself as the pride of Africa. Its luxury train journeys blending Edwardian elegance with South Africa's breathtaking landscapes.
You see a lot of wheels here on the left-hand side.
Those aren't weights, those are wheels.
No. Yeah.
So everything's made from scratch here, including the toilet seats.
Yeah, we do everything ourselves here. Everything on the train is made right here.
Wow.
It was all done with a 1920s flavour.
Yeah.
We wanted a homely feel.
It's meant to feel like your lounge at home.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. When we started, we had a base staff of about 20, 25, and that family feeling has continued throughout to the 500 that we have today. I don't think there's anybody here that won't think of themselves as being part of a family.
Obviously, all of this is incredibly impressive, all the mechanics of the train. But what I find fascinating as well is how do you feed people these fine dining meals on a moving train?
Well, to me, it's a total miracle.
Yeah.
And it's magic, actually. When I see the food arriving, I wonder how the devil they did it. And we don't have a plating area. So the service on the train is not as fast as maybe in a restaurant, but then, you know, we're not in a hurry on the train. The experience on a train, I think, is something very special. But the slower you go, of course, the more you see. So there is a certain magic to it. I think it's exciting for people.
And with that, it's time to board and start this adventure. Meet Ronalda, who is overseeing the final touches of preparation with her team so that all passengers on board have an exceptional journey.
My role as a train manager is to make sure that I take the train from point A to point B. Seeing people happy, putting smiles on people's faces is one of the things that makes me enjoy my job the most.
Ronalda, I know the train's about to go, and I can see there is an incredible amount of work that goes into getting it ready, isn't there?
Yes, that's quite true. So I literally have 5 minutes.
To speak to me, and then you've got to actually get the train moving.
We have to make sure that everything is perfect, everything is spotless, everything is clean.
And so how many guests are getting on board today?
58 guests.
Wow. So that's a lot of people to
That's
get ready
a lot.
for. A lot of people to have over for lunch.
Oh, yes.
But before I can think about eating lunch, and as the train departs, you have to check out my sleeping quarters for this voyage.
We're moving, so the perfect time to start my room tour. Gigantic bed. I have no idea how they squeeze this in on a moving train. You've got a little lounge area, your own mini bar with anything you could need for the morning or drink to watch everything that goes by. A wardrobe with all sorts of bits and pieces in there to keep you comfortable. And then, I cannot believe, somehow there is a full bathroom and shower just for me.
Now, tomorrow is going to be a full day of locomotive exploration, so I shall bid you adieu and enjoy some gown time. See what I did there?